We all have memorable photos and videos on our phones and also important documents on our laptops and PCs. But what would happen if something happened to your device that meant that you were unable to recover those memorable and important items? That's why it's always important to invest in an external hard drive or USB stick to save all your precious memories. Now, these vary in price, but they are priceless when it comes to the day when something happens to your laptop, your PC or your phone and you need to recover your documents, photos, videos or anything else. So in this video, I'm going to share my top tips and reasons for you to back up your stuff. Now, no one wants to believe they will be a victim of crime. But what will you do if you come home from a night out to find that your phone is gone from your bag? Or you return to the coffee shop table and see that your laptop or tablet has been nicked? Now, if your contact details, music and documents is saved onto an external source like a cloud provider or USB stick, you can take comfort in knowing that your items can be easily recovered. We are all prone to mistakes. Sometimes we mistakenly delete an important document that we are working on, like our resume or our dissertation. We might mistakenly spill a drink onto our keyboard or drop our phone down the loo. It's very important to remember that devices can go bad. Power surges can result in images and documents and other files being corrupted. And whilst there are IT specialists that can attempt to recover your memories, there is no guarantee that this will work. We are always connected to the internet with our devices, and with every item that we click, everything that we download, we open up ourselves to the risk of downloading malware. And whilst most antivirus on our devices can stop and quarantine malware and other viruses, there's no guarantee it will stop everything, especially new forms of insidious attacks such as ransomware. Now, ransomware is a form of malware which encrypts documents, images, videos and apps on your device, and criminals will only return access to you if you pay them the ransom demand. But there's no guarantee that they will return everything to you or that you will get anything back at all. So those are my top reasons for backing up your stuff and investing in an external hard drive or a USB stick or setting up an account with a cloud service provider. Remember, the only backup you will regret is the one you did not do.